Day 2 of trying to pull this thing apart. I want to try to get this core support out today. I don't know if that's gonna be what ends up happening, but we'll find out. The fact of the matter is the core support isn't really blocked by this. Like, I can just kind of pull this out of the way. There's something still keeping it here, and it needs to come forward so the radiator or the intercooler can go that way. With these brackets here, oh, wait a minute. Hey, there's that wrench I lost in the first video. Hold on, if I can just lift that and pull that, then all we need to do at this point is just disconnect the hoses. That bolt's already disconnected there. I think I did this one too. Yeah, cool. So we're almost ready to go, actually. The biggest concern is really these AC lines, but they'll stay here. So yeah, I think we can make this core support coming out happen. I need to replace this wire loom that's on this truck. I mean, that's bad. Probably need to go ahead and pull this intake off. Good Lord, this is always the worst. I don't want you to break. I need a screwdriver. What I need is one of those tools that people use with like it's like pliers, but they're meant for clips. Cause this ain't gonna work. Well, yeah, it's not working. Did I break it? Oh, I did break it. God damn it. That's why you don't use pliers. I'm going to continue using the pliers, but now I'm gonna have to get a new clip, so it's what I deserve for using pliers in the first place. There we go. God, that is chewed up. Time to break out. There we go, the socket set. What's left of it. So that I can take off the rest of this intake. Stay. All right, come on. Forgot you had that little bar down there that I never connected. Ooh, how did that happen? Probably from the wreck. I'm gonna have to put everything up by the end of the day. You can see it's a little bit overcast. It's supposed to rain, not crazy hard, but a little bit tomorrow. So we'll need to be preparing for that. Okay, you are gonna be a pain. You are in the way. Woo. 13. Nope, 10. I think this is what's really causing my issues here. Once I get this off, I think it should be good to pull it all out. And honestly, I don't fully understand why it's there. I guess it holds that in, but having the plate there could just suck air up straight into the intake. That'd be good. I know it's supposed to come like through the fender and then out through this little hole to fuel my intake, but that seems very restrictive. So almost feels like it'd be better to have some kind of tube running up from down there. So maybe we'll look into that. I don't know. You know, for this supposedly being the only other screw or bolt holding this on, oh, it is. I didn't even have to do that. It comes up. Oh well, it's like a picture frame. Disconnect you. Need to disconnect you so I don't rip apart my wiring harness when I pull this thing out. And it ends up being heavier than I was expecting and I drop it. So we all know that's what's gonna happen. Why? Why is it connected so many times? Especially considering this horn doesn't even work anymore. There, you. No more. Go away. Unneeded. Unnecessary. Oh, it goes all the way along the back side of it too. Wiring is fun when you don't know what you're doing. It's less fun when you still don't know what you're doing, but you know you have to disconnect shit. Because this truck is held together with 10mm bolts, zip ties and prayers, and probably tears. Not my tears though, the tears of my guardian angel. What, don't be mad, I had the money, I had them chop your balls off. You were peeing in my house. Don't look at me, this isn't my fault. I don't want you having children. You are not a responsible parent. All right, 4 bolts, disconnected. Core support, oh yeah, that's a lot easier. Easier, but not complete. Ooh. Is it annoying yet? There's still stuff holding it in. Oh, that didn't sound good. I don't know what that was. Whatever this is. It was this. I don't know what that is. Donde está my problem? Too much shit coming with. You're supposed to stay. Voila. Fuck you. Really? There's more? Core support. Need to get this powder coated. I know some of these words. Now I need to take you off. Yeah, 99% sure. These are 11s. Yep, I remember the pain and suffering of dealing with these all the time. That one's gonna be a bitch. I'm gonna do that one first. Oh, come on. Commercial break time. We're gonna go to the easy one. Lego. Lego. Release. Ah! Ooh, delicious. Aha! Oh, intercooler. Radiator time. Okay, wait. Riddle me this. Is this an oil cooler or is this a trans cooler? Because on that truck, this is the trans cooler. And I assumed this was a transmission cooler and this was, I didn't think this was here. But now I see this is here. So is this the trans cooler and that's an oil cooler? Is there labeling on it? There's something. Canada. It says stuff. I can't read it. It's too faded. I don't know. Shit. No trans fluid came out. Hopefully trans fluid comes out of the bottom one. Otherwise, problem. Yay, there we go. I'm spilling transmission fluid onto the ground. Oh. Ooh, that's gross. Fuck you. It's your fault. This is all your fault. Because of right here somewhere, there's a crack. I don't know where it is, but there's a crack here somewhere. We're almost there. Not really, but kind of. Well, the GoPro died pretty much where I stopped, so this is where we're gonna leave it for now. I need to take a couple of these things inside and put that hood back up on top of there. Oh, please don't scratch the shit out of the stuff. Can you please just sit here? Stop scratching the shit out of my stuff. Stop scratching the shit out of yourself, really. All right, since this thing's a piece of junk, we're gonna put it back just to support you. That doesn't seem very sturdy. Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't like that. That's much more secure. I know it's probably dark as hell. You guys probably can't see much of anything, but that's where we're gonna stop today. Like I said earlier, hopefully by Saturday we'll be ready to pull the motor, and maybe come Sunday we will pull the motor, not sure. So if you guys want to see all that, follow the TikTok, subscribe here, like the video, comment, share, whatever, all that stuff that people say on YouTube. Keep an eye out for the next video. Peace.